Hey, it's Marcus. Thanks for clicking my link. I'm obviously wanting to speak with you further to establish some kind of relationship or even be friends one day. I don't know, but I'll just tell you a brief introduction about myself, and then it'll be up to you to decide if you allow that to happen. I'm actively building my real estate network. I acquire and lease properties for management and long-term housing, and I also transact and broker real estate, mostly residential. And also, I'm looking for quality people in my life. That's just what I'm interested in. The way I do it, emotionally mature, that goes a long way, but also transparency. If we were to, I don't know, engage in some kind of project, I would just be clear about the roles. I am interested in also checking my work immediately, getting feedback, and ultimately adapting if something's not going right and doing that quickly. And I've done that using the precepts of critical thinking that is formalized with checklists and various things, and also project management, agile project management, using compressing time, determining what is going to add value, and executing and adapting. So that's what I'm about. I've I've pursued you pushing this link, or you've got it to it somehow, but I am hoping to have a further conversation with you. So if you were to allow that to happen, that would be awesome. I will have accomplished my goal. So thank you, and I hope to speak further. Bye.